Hi guys, this is the final test. Perun's fire aimed down the sights with Rangefinder. First bolt shot at 24:14, there it is. And we're looking at 12 frames for a Perun's fire round, so that brings us to 24:26. We should be clear of any bolts. And there we go. Alright, there we go. That's 12 rounds. Second shot, 25:29. There it is. And that means that 26:11 we should be clear. Try and get up here a little bit. There we go. And no more bolts. You can see there's one right at the dot there. Okay, then we have 27:16. There we go, and that means 27:28 we would be clear. I'm going to get closer here. 26, 27, 28. So let's go back here. There we go. Our rounds are all gone. Then we have 31:07 for our next start. There we go. And that brings us to 31:19 for all of our bolts being gone. There we go. And you can see that there. The rest is just particle effect. Then 32:22. There we go. And then 33.04, and we're done. You can see that there is still a bolt there right at the reticule. You can see it right there. There we go. 02, 03, 04. It's gone. Okay, then we have 34:07 for our first shot. And 34:19, of course, would be our end shot. That's 14 frames. And there we go. Let me see that again. Alright, and that's it.